So we just picked up this package from the post office from We Are Likewise. Yeah, so I already know what's inside here. Neat little box. Oh, come on, focus. We Are Likewise. Seal of approval. It's pretty sick, actually. So we'll just open it up real quick. So inside this package I got a new shift knob. Pretty nice. If you want to order one of these, there's a website right there, wearelikewise.com, and e-brake button will go right here. So we're going to be doing another install today. Yay! As you might already be able to tell, it is nasty outside. It's hibernation mode here in Vancouver. For this install, okay, so we're gonna be replacing the stock shift knob as well as this stock e-brake button. I guess we're just gonna do this one first, just because this one's probably gonna be the more difficult one, because this one I know you just screw it off. But the tools you will need are probably some pliers, adjustable crescent wrench, and some vice grips. What you're gonna want to do is have the e-brake up. This is probably gonna damage the old e-brake button just because this is plastic and obviously this is metal. So if you want, you can wrap something around here, like a cloth or like a microfiber or something like that, and then you want to lock the vice grip onto it. You want to start turning it. To loosen it off. Alright, when you get it off the knob, you should just be able to, yeah, see, this is what I was talking about, little scratches. But once you get it off, just twist it off just like that. You want to take this spring out. Like that. It should look like this. Should be a little screw in there with threads, and I got this guy to put onto there, so you just want to start threading that guy on. Until it doesn't want to go anymore. That's it. That's the install. To lock the e-brake now, all you need to do is pull up, and yeah, that's it. Pull up and push your e-brake button out. And that's the first install. The second one we're going to be doing is this guy, the shift knob. So what you want to do to take it off is just basically, it just twists off like that. If you ever want to revert back to stock, you can just, I would just leave this somewhere like probably just put it in the glove box, toss that in there. We got this guy, matching color. Matchy matchy. This shift knob is obviously a lot bigger in diameter. It's not just gonna slide into there and twist on. So this adapter that goes on there like that, and then this one goes on top. This one's just to lock down this so it doesn't spin. And you put this guy on. That's it. Yeah. So as you can see, or might be able to see, the logo's upside down. So what you want to do is basically play around with the fuck? Okay, well we gotta get that out now. Okay, so once you got that adapter on, you just want to take your adjustable, and I don't really have anything else, so what I'm just gonna do is let's see here. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this to hold down the bottom lock. I'll wrap that around there so I don't scratch it. Hold that down and tighten the top just like that. Let's see if this goes on now. Yep. That's it, that's the install. It's pretty simple. Changes the look of your interior quite a bit.